Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist pattern for beginner, and let's continue the exploration of Tkinter package. For that, let's move to our destination folder. As you can see, the destination folder is open and today is day 23 of this playlist. So let's open this folder in VS Code to explore what is the code we will be seeing today. So the VS Code has opened and now let's open the file. So this is today's file. So today's day 23 and the title of this video is buttons and events. So let's explore them one by one. So this is simple declaration. This is creating a window, adding window title, setting the width and height of Tkinter window. After that, this is last main loop, and the new thing that is added here is a function which is called def button click. So let's explore it later on. So next added widget is button. So we can also add buttons in Tkinter. So to add buttons, we have to simply create a variable and use tk.button. So this button method is already declared by developer of this Tkinter package, and the contents are similar to the label. So firstly, we have to pass the window name, which is window in our case, then the text that will be appeared on the button. And this command method means after clicking on the button, what should be happened. So the command is button click. So it will simply call button click function when the button is clicked. So this is the simple meaning of this command. And what will happen when the button is clicked? Label.config. So this label is already created, but currently the text is empty. When the button will get clicked, the button text will be get replaced by this empty text. So let's test that. So I will simply run the program. So this is a simple click me button, and as you can see, the current text is empty due to this. And as soon as I click on this click me button, this text will get appear. So I am clicking the button, and as you can see, button clicked is available here, which is absolutely correct. Now I just want to show you the one error that is normally caused by beginners. So I will simply close it now. Normally what we do that when we call a function, we simply call it like this. So name of the function and this empty and close braces. But in Tkinter, if we call this function like this, then it will directly call that function without clicking of button. I will show you the demo right now. So this is the normal function, and if I just simply add here opening and closing braces, it will directly show the output. And as you can see, the label is not defined because the code has reached here and it doesn't find this label. So what can I do is that I will simply cut this part and just paste it above. This can remove the error. So let's test it. As you can see, the error has been removed, but the button click text has already appeared before clicking the click me button. So that's the drawback or the precaution that you must take before calling a function. So I will simply click Ctrl Z to make code as it was before. So this is a working code that I show you in the starting of the video, and as you can see, the click me button has appeared once again. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you want the source code of this video, you can simply check a video description to grab the source code for free. And if you face any queries while running this code, or if you have any problem or doubts related to Tkinter, you can simply message me on Instagram or comment section below. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.